Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mint color. To create this refreshing shade, you'll primarily combine white, blue, and green. The key is to start with a base and gradually add your accent colors. We'll explore the exact steps to achieve a beautiful, balanced mint that's perfect for your project. Get ready to mix some vibrant hues. To start, pour a generous amount of white paint into your mixing container. This will be the foundation of your mint color. Next, add just a small drop of blue paint. Stir it in thoroughly until fully combined. Then, introduce a similar small amount of green paint, mixing well after each addition to see the color develop. Now it's time to fine-tune your mint. If you desire a lighter, pastel mint, simply add more white paint. For a warmer, more vibrant mint, incorporate additional green. If you prefer a cooler, more aqua-like mint, a tiny bit more blue will achieve that effect. Always add colors incrementally and mix thoroughly. For best results, always mix small quantities of paint initially. This allows for easier adjustments without wasting materials. Before applying your mint color to your main project, test it on a scrap piece of material to ensure it's exactly what you envisioned. Finally, note down your color ratios so you can recreate your perfect mint anytime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.